So we are here at Interdrone 2018 and we just assisted to the keynotes and now we are making our way into the exhibition. Welcome to Interdrone 2018.
I still woke up at like 5 a.m.
Okay, now let's just walk down the road and let's just see what's going on here. I see DJI on my right. I see Precision Hawk. I've seen a beautiful keynote from the CEO, booth from Loveland Innovation. Nice, we're gonna go and check it out. And here on my right, there is the big DJI booth from DJI. And here on the left are drone deploy. Awesome. Here we have a neat little toy, very fun. It's a beautiful lighter. We're gonna check it out later. What we got here? We got Swift navigation here on the right. Swift navigation, and then we have microHard. Oh, fantastic! Phenomenal data links. We're gonna check it out later on. Ooh, here we have Parazero. Hey guys, smile at the camera. How you doing? Good. Can I have a little chat later together?
Yes.
See you later. Drones, and we have a cowgirl here. See at the camera.
Howdy.
And Venom, more interesting. Venom. We have Pelican. And Peli cages. And very interesting Alta devices. We're gonna have a little chat later, huh? Ooh, here I see a big one. I see a very big one. What do we have here? Yes, Sunwing. Ah, that's a Tetradrone. That's a Tetradrone actually. Inertial sense. Awesome. This is a nice VTOL. Nice VTOL. Beautiful. And we have Cheeto, Next Vision. Next Vision has a very interesting gimbals and payloads here. Very interesting. Then we have T-Motor with these huge motors, propellers, top quality, nothing to say. Say hi to the camera. See you later. Drone Sense, and PX4D, of course. PX4D is here. Here it goes. So here is FLIR. I see the Wintra here. I see the Wintra VTOL, tail-sitting VTOL. 3D robotics. Here it is. What is this? A microdrone for everybody remember the success crowdfunding of microdrone. And here they have the 4.0 version release right here. What else? This is flyability. I really enjoy flyability. I actually flew this thing last time in AOBSI and it was just amazing. We have Parrot. Oh, look at that! It's amazing. Look at this booth that they have. They have an amazing booth, and I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see it later on. I'm really gonna see it on. Now another very interesting one is Cape. Cape is very interesting. They do a real-time remote video and control. It is basically a drone that catches another. There are huge mastodontic drones here. Okay, so this is our fuel cell manufacturer. They are actually showing off beautiful systems, massive one. These are hydrogen cell powered. Look at those beasts. I still have half to do. Still a long time. Drone up. We got unique here on my left. We have unique here, unique. And then we have B&H photo video. Here it is. Yeah, this is a VTOL, like a multi-rotor that flips with a tail, with a wing. So yeah, we have drone code. Here we have the drone code booth. And then we have, this is the awesome Scadio, and I'm definitely gonna have a little chat with them later. Contactless charging. Saw even last year at UVSI, they were very interesting. But here I see something really, really interesting. This is Electra Fly, and this is a massive, gigantic,
That's cool.
like gigantic multi-rotor. And finally, I'm here at the Autopilot booth. Hey guys, say hello to the camera. I'm here at the Autopilot booth, and we are in between Drone Launch and G's Cafe. So I'm gonna settle down and I'm gonna start unpacking my gears. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.